bagaimana sila lula sila sa mga anti-anti at mga sisalitan. Salamat at bagaimana sila.
Happy Mother's Day sa talagang sa especially sa mama. Mama, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you made. Thank you sa pagiging amahan ng pinahasam ka na. So, formally, I can say that I have a very happy you as my mother, as no one can compare the greatest love and also the sacrifices that you have made for us. So, happy Mother's Day. And of course, kay Ami, thank you for the love and support, and thank you for always being there when we need you the most. So, and Auntie Galia, happy Mother's Day. And of course, to my godmother, Nina Pitt, thank you for being an inspiration to us to work at first. And of course, ng mga nanay dito sa CCTV Nalim, I want to extend my warmest greetings. Happy Mother's Day to all, and have a blessed day. Happy Kanunay!
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. It's your special day. I hope you enjoy Kayla. And also, Miss Crew, kay Thomas, and thank you, Mom, for all the efforts, for all the sacrifices, the support you need at the family. Your guidance, guidance, and will be free. And also thank you to my son, and more, and wisdom always keep yourself safe and nice and good to and thank you for everything. Thank you for all that you're doing to message business everyone and everything I want to message
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day. Madali lang namin. I just want to say thank you and sorry to say thank you for everything, especially yung presence na nakaali ka sa aming termo everything na kailangan na namin. And sorry if danay sa namin ang buhay sa aming mga himo. And I just want you to know na we are so grateful na ikaw ang Father. Dahil hindi ka lang sa ka-Father, kundi yung Father ko, diba? Sa ating gamay na ako. And always remember na ako, aagad ka sa amin pero may aagad ka na sa iyo. Happy Mother's Day sa ating na Mother na